The moment I realized SGU was the right place for me was when I stepped onto campus for the first time.
The buildings were beautiful. It was on the beach, the ocean's right there. You could study and hear the ocean in the background. It was a calming environment.
They even put more beautiful study spaces that are directly across the ocean, and the gym spaces and everything like that was also right across the ocean, so everything was pretty much ocean view.
So I flew down, I got to see the campus, got to know a few of the people, and I loved it. So from that point on, I knew that's where I wanted to be, and that's how I got into wanting to be at SGU.
SGU was most appealing to me because it gave me the chance to study abroad, but also come back to the States.
Ultimately, when all roads led to SGU and they were giving me the opportunity to become a doctor, I knew this was the way to go because I knew I could do it.